8 easy homemade garden fertilizers. 1 grass clippings. It is rich in nitrogen, which is an essential nutrient for most plants. 2 weeds. Very high in nitrogen and will make an excellent fertilizer. 3 kitchen scraps. It make compost and helps the soil retain moisture, which is essential for vegetable gardens to thrive during hot, dry summers. 4 manure. High in nitrogen and other nutrients. 5 coffee and tea grounds help acidify the soil. 6 tree leaves. Rich with trace minerals, they attract earthworms. 7 eggshells provides plants with lots of calcium. 8 banana peels provides potassium for the plant's proper growth. The Nature. Thanks for subscribe us.